this is the spot to hang out today. Okay. It says Phoebe and Goldfinches. What this says Phoebe is a baby waiting to be fed. The goldfinches like to hang out down here and eat the stuff from my patio. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Go ahead and eat. Go ahead. Nibble, nibble. Oh, you're eating a different kind. You usually eat the spinach. Your husband really likes the spinach. Some good stuff, Maynard. Yes, it is. And it's really windy out, and you guys are all jumpy. Plus, I'm standing right here next to you. That doesn't help. It doesn't help, does it? You get in there. These salad lovers. And it's got no spray. So it's healthy for you. No spray. You should go around the corner, eat the spinach. There's marjoram too. Okay, there's a big bird above you, but it just says Phoebe, so I think. Okay. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, it flew over there. Or where'd it go? No, it's just those two. The other one disappeared. Swinging.